My name is Emma and I'm your hair bestie at Hairshop. Is your hair in desperate need of repair? I have the most amazing range for you. This range is for serious hair repair. I'm talking breakage, over-processed blondes, snapping, breaking, dry, brittle, crusty hair. This is the range that you need. The brand is Virtue and the range is Recovery. So this range, like with every range in Virtue, contains the Alpha Keratin 60KU. However, this range has the highest amount of it. So what is Alpha Keratin 60KU? It was originally formulated to actually heal soldiers' wounds at war. So like your hair, skin and nails are all made up of keratin, this keratin complex is in all the products and is going to seriously repair your hair. This shampoo by Virtue is going to really gently cleanse and replenish your hair to leave it feeling really soft and nourished. The conditioner is great for hydrating and repairing. It's going to fill in the cracks of damage in your hair, leaving it feeling really silky smooth and soft. This healing oil is so divine. So in this bottle, Alpha Keratin 60KU complex is actually sitting all at the bottom of this healing oil. So you're going to want to shake it really hard to combine all the product together. You can use it on wet or dry hair. I love to blow dry it in. I love to use it as a finishing serum. My literal favorite repair treatment is the restorative mask by Virtue. This one is seriously going to strengthen and repair your hair. So we know frizzy and curlier hair types are more susceptible to damage because of the way that their hair structure is. So if you're someone that has curly or frizzy hair and you've had your hair colored and it's feeling dry and in need of some repair, this product is the perfect blow dry cream because it's not only going to repair your hair, but it's also going to defrizz your hair and protect it from your blow drying and heat styling. This is the split end serum by Virtue. So this one is going to literally seal your split ends back together. You apply a quarter amount of the size of your finger to the mid-lengths and ends. This one is going to micro mend and seal those split ends back together. You can apply it in wet or dry. This is the second best thing to getting a haircut. A haircut is obviously best.